welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are most definitely welcome. My name is Gama. Please make this your YouTube home, permanent YouTube home, by clicking the subscribe and the notification bell down below. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, talk to me in the comment section, and share this video with your friends and family. So today I'm uploading a video on how I installed these cornrows, which I installed a week ago. So yeah, in the description box, please just check for a video if you haven't watched it already, on how you do natural cornrows, not feed-in cornrows. That's what we're doing today. And also, if you like the color of these braids, then there's also another video that I'll put in the description box, which will take you directly to the color mixing, where I mix two colors to get this color. So yeah guys, please enjoy this video, very beginner friendly. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, please. Right here you have about 1 pack of hair, and that was the hair that I had mixed. So what you want to do from that 1 pack is you want to split it into 2, and then you want to then have this other half where you're going to split it into 2. And so from each pack you actually just want to keep you want to separate it into 4 pieces. And so from those 4 pieces, what you're going to do is you're going to separate into another 4 pieces, right? Like so. So from the first half, you want to separate it into 4 equal pieces. And basically, you have your 4 equal pieces, and so these are your 4 equal pieces. From your other half, you want to separate it into 2, okay? And then you separate 2 pieces that are the same size as the 4 pieces that we had previously separated. So in total, you're gonna have 6 pieces that are the same side, and from here you want to separate it into 2 again, and then you want to separate one of the 2 pieces into 3, and then the other into 4. So you want to work with 13 pieces from the smallest, and then you go up with these 4. So with these ones, you're going to add them a bit more frequently, right? So that's when you're building your anchor braid. And then these are like the middle section where you have your grip just fine, and then now these are just for thickness, okay? And so to start off my braid in the front, I have to use like the smallest pieces, like this. And then I have to section this into 3 pieces. And then I started my braid, and now I have to I have to separate it in the middle and then feed it into underneath my pointer finger, and then take the middle section and then pick up what was on the right hand side, my right hand side, probably your left hand side if you're seeing this on screen obviously, and then you start to braid, and then the normal way that you'd be braiding, and then you feed the other piece in, and then you kind of just want to build an anchor braid from the front firstly before you can braid into the hair. And when you feel that it's a bit secure, you can start to feed in the other pieces gradually, still adding the smallest pieces. So after every time you feed in, you want to add on a bit more hair, starting from the smallest to the biggest, but you're not going to keep feeding it in every single time you finish, ne? That's just so that you can build an anchor braid in the front. And then here I'm not going to add another one. I'm going to start to kind of braid, and then only now am I going to start adding. So then these 2, which were like the slightly bigger ones, I'm going to add, braid, and then add again. So I'm adding it, I'm braiding, I'm adding the other leg, and then I'm braiding again. So you're going to add, braid. Don't forget to detangle the hair at the bottom so that your hair doesn't tangle too much at the ends.